Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm in bus stop and I'm going to uni for my research project. I'm going to perform something in the lab with IKD device. See you there in the uni. Yesterday काम हुन्छ नि यस्तो घाम लागिरहेको थियो नि लिटरली अनि वी वेन्ट टु हुन्छ नि हाम्रो उता मिलफोर्ड गयो कि हामी साथीहरू मिलेर अनि आज चाहिँ लिटरली पानी परिरहेको थियो बिहान अनि आज जाडो छ आम जस्ट वेटिङ फर बस कति बेला आउँछ सायद एउटा मैले बस छुट्याइसकेँ सो आम जस्ट वेटिङ फर अनदर बस अनि I'm in the university area. University of Portsmouth. My friends are waiting for me. They are waiting from me from 30 minutes. Oh my god. So this is this Spinaker building. So I'm here.
Useful for lifting it, but over time it can then slowly start to sort of come down. So what we've also got is in here there's a couple of bolts. Tighten in total, and try and kind of randomise the order of those. So I've got somewhere I've got an Excel spreadsheet that has like a random number generator. There are other ones to 0, and then it will go through of weigh the limb again, putting these stops in the right positions, and then running through that. Cool. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's why.
Some email too.
We are here only 3 people. It's not good, yeah, but I'm just trying to
We are working on our
capture the
research.
During
During the summer, it's not fair.
Yeah.
We should study.
The thing is, I don't have good phone right now. I'm just going to buy, and these are my subscriber. She's my fan. So mom, do you want autograph?
You.
Do you want autograph of mine?
Yeah.
I have like 3 million and 6,000.
You will
subscribe.
You deserve it.
Thank you. She's my good friend. Oh my god, that's fun. Like I was waiting for the bus and later on I realized it's summer vacation. Oh my god, how dumb I am. And I just run fastly and I just came here.
Exercise.
Yeah, exercise. And you are going to?
Hi, Robert. Do you want to go? You are going to work?
No, I just...
Just heading with this open.
Okay, bye. Okay, Donnie and I'm... Oh my god, what is your height?
6'1".
Oh my god! There's a height difference, you can just look like this. Oh my god. You were from the beginning, yeah?
Where? Yeah.
There. You haven't like taken any video?
Nah, she just took from the beginning.
How much I was late? How much time?
Just maybe 5 or 6 minutes, maybe.
Okay. So, Donnie is at station, so I'm going to leave him. Okay, bye. So I'm also going to my home.